I'm recording, so watch your mouth.
I love you.
Love you.
I hug the husband.
Wow, she can really read those cue cards good, can't she? Hey gang, Poppy here. Let's talk about supply and demand. I hear a bunch of the other YouTube creators talking about I'm having trouble getting this. We can't get anything here in outer Slobovia, or, right? There is a major thing stopping me from engaging in a live stream model. All those British Association and other standards that, supply and demand, or, British Association threads, both straight or tickered, and of course the parts from. No. I'm having enough problems getting.
What happened to my blue towel? Do you have it? I need it.
Anyway, I'm having enough problems getting a set of number reamers. Nobody has them. Everyone seems to be waiting for Char's slow flying saucer from Mars to bring in the next batch. I call and talk to them. I'll call around and look for availability and call you in a few minutes.
You got it? Well, if you look at his drawer, if there's one in his drawer, that's that's the one that was in the bag.
Here you go. This one was in the dryer.
Found it. Fabulous.
Anyway, I do search. And company after company, we're talking 400, 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,500. No.
My sweetheart, tolerate the strokes tonight.
Thank you while I'm recording.
So there's no send me rock once a month.
This is
Tell me it's a sin to rock once a month.
This is why guys go out in the shop. They'll spend 6 months rebuilding half of the shop, keep it from washing into the creek. So they can have a place where that don't happen while they're trying to record. Anyway, number reamers. I found a set for $2.99 at the company. I'm calling them in the morning. Well, it's the morning already. Later this morning, I'm calling them. If they're in stock and that is the price, ship. I'm tired of waiting for a slow flying saucer from Mars to bring a set of number reamers in so Shars can sell them to me. Or someone else who's order from Shars. Basically, that's where it's at. So can you imagine trying to get British Association taps and dies and nuts and bolts fittings? Yeah. I will have my number readers. I planned a whole series of videos for you on the importance of number readers in mini machinery. I found a company in New Zealand. They have a price I absolutely love, $154. They're in stock. Probably get here quicker too. And then people wonder why we can get fond of our brewed beverage. Good night from California. I think I want to scream.